In this video, let us learn how to divide the number 121 by 2 using the long division method. As 1 is less than 2, so let's consider the number 12. We know that 2 times 6 is 12. Subtract, we get a 0. Now see that 0 is less than 2, so let's bring down this number 1 here. This is the number 1, so we remove this 0. Now again see that 1 is less than 2. But as we have brought down the number 1 here, so we need to divide it. We know that 2 times 0 is 0. Subtract, we get 1. Now I can see that 1 is less than 2, but we don't have any number to bring down here. That is why in this case we will borrow 1 0, and for that we need to put a decimal here. And we know that 2 times 5 is 10. Subtract, we get a 0. As we have obtained the remainder 0, so we will stop. Therefore, 121 divided by 2 is equal to 60.5. And this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and comment on the video. Also do subscribe the channel.